Good day and welcome back to Switchblade Wade's EDC. Today we have another magnificent video for you with some more switchblades, baby. Some more switchblades. I was gonna do a folder, but it seems like the switchblades are obviously more popular. So let's do some more switchblades and then we will go back to the folders and the fixed blades, some cold steels and some spider coes, you know. But today we are looking at another Frank Beltrame. This one is a 9-inch stiletto switchblade, authentic Italian stiletto, made by the man, the legend, Mr. Frank Beltrame, or Beltrame, or whatever the fuck you want to say. But today we're looking at this one, 23 centimeters Brazilian horn. I got this from Sarah Beltrame like a couple of years ago, two years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And it's one of my only 9-inch stilettos that I have, automatics that I have left. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. Nice horn on it. Yeah, let's look at that. The sun is shining in this camera, so I can't really see, but I think that's focusing nicely. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, man, this is a nice piece in my collection. I'm holding on to this. Also brass liners, stainless steel 440C, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go. And this one has a Dagger blade. It's not common that you see 9 inches with Dagger. They're normally flat grounds or they normally bayonets, but this one is a motherfucking Dagger blade. Look at that fucking shit right there, motherfuckers. Frank Beltrame. I'm not sure about the swearing on what you call this thing on YouTube, but that's just the way I feel about these knives. Look at that baby, guys, girls. Beautiful, another beautiful specimen right here. I think Frank will be making more of these, so we'll have some for sale soon, maybe next year, on the website. But yeah, guys, don't forget to check out our website in our description and in our bio. You can find more affordable automatics, switchblades, levers, OTFs. All the Frank Beltrames and other Italian stilettos are all sold out now, but we have these. We have other ones there. 13-inch stilettos, 9-inch for like $45. Cheap, man. There's cheap knives there. Cheap prices, but nice quality stuff. Don't really mean cheap knives, just mean cheap price. So yeah, check that out while you can. Beautiful, beautiful knife. What more can I say? I love Frank Beltrame's blades, man. His knives never banana. Banana means like dull to the side. I hate that. Must be nice and straight. Like a motherfucking Dagger. I love it. Love the horn. Let's give it. This is a swivel, obviously. New stilettos. Let's give it another fire up. Let's check the safety. Frank Beltrame, quality affordable switchblades. We're gonna have some soon online for sale. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Italian stiletto switchblades. Frank Beltrame. Can't go wrong with the Frankie B. Beautiful, just beautiful. Beautiful. Dagger grind. I love switchblades. I love Italian stilettos. I want to get some more picklocks in future. But yeah, man, it's a fucking deep rabbit hole that you'll never come out of once you enter. There's always another one that you want and can't get. But yeah, it's a beautiful rabbit hole to end. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us again. This is another video with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Again, we have a 9-inch or 23 centimeter Frank Beltrame Italian stiletto in Brazilian horn and dagger grind. Beautiful, beautiful knife. We'll have more switchblades on the channel. We'll have some folders, some cold stills and spider goes on the channel as well. Don't forget to check out our website, link in bio. Go shop some more affordable switchblades. We got 13 inches, 9 inches for like $45. We got lever automatics, we got watches. So check out the watches also. We got swing guards, lots of swing guards. We got Damascus, we got snakewood, we got stag. Check out our stag selection. Alright guys, thank you and girls, thank you so much for joining Switchblade Wade's EDC once again. We'll see you next time with another video. Subscribe, share, like, comment, fucking go mad and celebrate the channel, and we will see you soon. Peace out.